Okay, this is Flapjack and Beans, welcome back to the channel. It's a bit strange lighting in here because we're south facing and we've got a bit of sunshine falling in the office today for some reason, but this is Chris, the son-in-law here, and we're going to be doing the install, as I said, onto the SRL 3 into the Shoei Neotec 3.
Pads out.
Yeah. As I said, these cheek pads are just a bit slightly different than the last ones were. So thread your chin strap through your cheek pad.
Now, take clips off. 3 clips. Unclip this front and it's out.
And then you take the crown cap out, which again it just pulls out. You shove it forward, and then it just clips off the top. That's it. And then put that to one side. Right, now inside, let me just show you what we've got inside. You see these, a lot of people sort of think that they put these back on, which I've actually done that in the past, but you don't have to. They now come out, they're just inserts over you. And be mindful of the clip, are they clip in and out, because that's the clip what you're going to put from your speaker when you put your speaker in. It's got the same three little clip things as you can see here.
You just have to get your finger just on the edge of plastic and it's out.
The same other side.
If you pull it, you'll rip it off the actual plastic. So yeah,
off at back, which is just you press that. Show them what you do. You press that and then pull it from the other side. Okay, and that comes out. Then you take the bit of foam rubbish out.
It's easier with little fingers.
Yeah. And then you start with that one, the battery cover back in.
Yeah.
Be mindful that these flaps here, these flaps go on the outside of the battery. Yeah.
If it's not slightly forward, if it's really back, it won't click in. As soon as it's forward, it clicks straight in.
Right, yeah. So then you continue on to put your speakers in next.
There we go.
That's it, they just unclip. You might need a little tool really, even unless you've got good enough strength and nails like Chris has got. You just have to pop that little popper there, look. And that comes out. Yeah, the speakers twist and go in the right way.
We could do it with lollipops.
We're now installing these little side pieces which clip to the front first.
So we'll clip them in. That one.
I'm trying to use the mic through my GoPro, which we don't know whether that's going to work yet, but this is why we're installing. Rather than the boom mic, Chris is putting under my instructions, he's putting in the full-faced mic, which goes in here, and then we're going to sight it at the front or the best place we can into the cheek pad, under the cheek pad, and if it don't work, obviously we're going to have to re-sight it somewhere else, use the boom mic if that don't work.
Control panel. That's it. Speaker.
I like a good click, you know it's in.
Quite well, then.
Yeah, and now it's over to this new cable tidy system idea, which they give you these new tabs. Chris is using a lollipop stick, which obviously it just helps you shove the wires through, but don't damage anything. It's an old Gullwing trick from Flapjack and Beans. Right.
If you get any wires in that gap,
then
the cheeks won't.
And obviously if you haven't got one of these red Shoei bloody helmet stands, so you don't mark your new 679 or 789 pound helmet, whatever they are, just get it on a pillar. GoPro 12, this is a GoPro 11 what you're looking at me with now, or GoPro 12, they have decided in their wisdom, which is a brilliant idea, to come out with a Bluetooth connectivity. So you can use, people are using earbuds, but as you know, they sound a bit tinny and stuff like that on audio. So I'm using wireless mics as we speak now, but I want to be able to have everything free off my helmet. And I'm hoping when I get the GoPro 12 in the next day or so, I'll put a video together. I'm hoping that this system will pair to the GoPro, so that when I speak, I'm using my microphone, what Chris is just installing under the cheek pad, to narrate onto my GoPro camera. That's the theory.
So when you're fitting this cable, this block has got to be here to get this cheek pad in, and as it slots into that connection, you just push it down, push it back slightly, and then it's in, it's held. And up to the front, and that clicks in, and then your cheek pad's fastened in. Put the clips in.
And you can see we've hid the microphone, there it is there, which we're hoping will work.
Pull them through, pull the strap through, clip that one in. Same on this side. Once it slots in,
Okay.
just shove it back slightly, and it's in.
Over to that front boss there, look.
Over to the front. That's it.
That's clipped in.
And then
Fasten them back down.
in. One more. That's it.
And now the headliner. What size is that? Let me just look at the size. It does tell you on here what it is. Yeah, it just says large, yeah.
Fiddly bits of plastic.
Fasten the back of the helmet down, the front's all clipped in.
To start from the middle, work your way to the edge on each side, and it clips in last at the corners. Front, clip the back.
So right back. Clips there, look. Clip there.
2 clips, one either side, and that's it.
So,
Trial time.